Well, hey there, y'all. Ever look at your home and think this old place could use a little TLC? If those windows are looking a bit tired and worn out, it's time for a change. New windows can do wonders for your home's curb appeal, and trust me, the difference is like night and day. You see, when you replace those old drafty windows with something more stylish and energy efficient, you're not just getting a new look for your home, you're getting a whole new vibe. And just look at that shine. When you choose windows that complement your home style, you'll notice how they instantly boost the charm and appeal. And let me tell you, your neighbors are really gonna take a notice. But new windows aren't just about looks, they're practical too. They'll improve your home's energy efficiency, keep that Texas heat out, and save you some hard-earned cash on those electric bills. Y'all, nothing beats the comfort of knowing your home staying cool in the summer and warm in the winter, all thanks to energy efficient windows. So if you want your home to stand out for all the right reasons, it's time to swap out those old windows for something that'll make a statement. Texas Made Windows and More has been helping folks in San Antonio and Corpus Christi for over 24 years, and we know how to make your home shine. Give us a call today and let's get you set up with windows that'll make your home the talk of the town. Don't wait, call us today and let's make your home the prettiest one on the block, with windows that are built to last. Y'all deserve the best. Let's make it happen.